So basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem says that if we are having a triangle and if there is a line parallel to one of the side, then the other two side, okay, will get divided in the same ratio. So it will be given to you that DE is parallel to BC, and we have to show that AD by BD is equals to AE by EC. Already we have done the construction. We joined D with C. We joined E with B. We have dropped the perpendicular from D. And we have dropped the perpendicular from E. Then we have written the construction. DM is perpendicular to AE. We have dropped the perpendicular EN, which is perpendicular to AD, and also joining B and E as well as C and D. Okay, now after that, we have taken the areas. Okay, according to the ratio, we have taken the area. Directly I am writing at first according to AD, we have chosen area of the triangle ADE. We had already written 1 by 2 into base into height. Then according to the denominator, we have chosen the triangle BDE, and there also we have written 1 by 2 into base BD. And on this base outside the triangle, we are having the height EL. Then according to the ratio, we have chosen again area of triangle AED. And we had written this time 1 by 2 into AE. And on this AE, we are having the perpendicular DM. And then again, we have taken area of triangle. This according to EC, we have chosen ECD. And this is 1 by 2 into EC into, on this EC, we are having the perpendicular DM. Now we have divided 1 with 2 and 3 with 4. Till here we have done, right? In the last class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's do 1 divided by 2. Directly I am writing the ratio, that area of ADE over area of BDE is equals to AD by BD. You can show cancellation as well. 3 divided by 4, area of AED, area of ECD is equals to AE by EC. Now we just have to show that equation number 5 and equation number 6 are equal with each other. Okay, here only we have done till here in the last class. Now I am going to tell you why 5 and 6 will be same. Now first focus on the numerator. Can you see the numerator both side is same?
Yes.
ADE triangle and AED triangle is the same thing. Okay, ADE and AED is the same thing. Okay, and what about the denominator? So see carefully, the denominator is not same. The denominator over here and the denominator over here, these two triangles are not same. Okay, BDE, ECD. Let's check it in the original figure. BDE and ECD. BDE and ECD. Anyhow, if we can show that this two triangles area is same, then we are done with the proof. Anyhow, if we can show that this two triangles area will be same, then we are done with the proof, and that's what we are going to do. Okay, this two triangles area will be same. Why? Because this two triangle, the purple one and the green one, lying between two parallel line, DE and BC. It lies between two parallel line, DE and BC. Okay, and having the same base. You can see the base is DE. Okay, for the triangle, the purple color triangle, for the green color triangle, the base is DE. Okay, if we will try finding the area of triangle, then we can drop a perpendicular. Just a second. Let me show you why the area will be same. For purple color triangle, I want to find the area. Okay, and I am dropping the perpendicular from the vertex B, and area will be 1 by 2 into base DE into height will be, suppose I am calling it, let's say P. Okay, I am calling it point P. So the height will be BP. This will be the area for the purple color triangle. Now let me write the area for the green color triangle. So 1 by 2, I want to take the same base DE into height. I need to drop the height on this base from C like this. Okay, I'm calling it Q. So CQ. So their area is here. Area is 1 by 2 into DE. There also area is 1 by 2 into DE. Into BP is here and into CQ is here. Do you know that in between two parallel line, the height will always be same? The perpendicular distance will always be same. That's the definition of the parallel line. That in case you are having two parallel line, two such line, where the distance between these two, if here, or maybe 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 anywhere, if you are taking perpendicular distance, that will always be same. In between two parallel line, perpendicular distance will always be same. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That's why this line is parallel line.
Yes.
Okay, that's why this line is parallel line. So in our question, what are we having? We are having one line which is parallel to other line. Okay, we are having a triangle like this. Like this. Okay, and we are finding the area of this triangle by taking this one as a base, and height we are dropping like this. That means perpendicular we are dropping. And for the other triangle, which looks like this, still we are taking the base as this one. Still we are taking the same base, and height we are dropping from here. Okay, and can we say if this height is 5, this will be 5, because we are talking about in between two parallel line? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
If you will extend
Yes,
it
ma'am.
like this, see, the height is same. So in case you are taking the same base for finding the area of the purple triangle and for finding the area of the green color triangle, if you are taking the same base, okay, and height, we can say it's same in both the cases, because we are talking about the perpendicular distance between two parallel lines. Wherever we will take the perpendicular distance will be same. Okay, so the height is same and base we are taking same, hence the area will be same. This two triangles area, definitely it will be same, because it lies between two parallel lines containing the same base. Making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, for finding area of a triangle, there are 3 ways. Okay, you can take any base, any height. Yeah, for finding area of a triangle, there are 3 ways. You can take any base, any height. But if one of the way is telling that the area is same, then the, okay, ट्रायंगल का एरिया फाइंड करने का बहुत सारा वेज है. हमें पता है, लास्ट क्लास में हमने यहाँ से ये डिस्कशन स्टार्ट करा था कि किसी भी वर्टेक्स से हम परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉप कर सकते हैं. ओके, एंड द अपोजिट साइड कैन बी टेकन एज अ बेस. 3 वेज है हमारे पास ट्रायंगल के एरिया फाइंड करने का। और अगर एक वे यहाँ पे हमें ये बता रहा है कि यहाँ जो एरिया आएगा और यहाँ जो एरिया आएगा, पर्पल ट्रायंगल का एरिया और ग्रीन कलर ट्रायंगल का एरिया दोनों अगर सेम आएगा, ओके, पैरेलल लाइन का कंसेप्ट हमें ये बता रहा है कि क्योंकि ये दोनों ट्रायंगल पैरेलल लाइन पे लाई कर रहे हैं और सेम बेस हम लेके चेक कर सकते हैं कि एरिया दोनों का सेम होगा। अब तुम जिस मेथड से भी निकालो, एरिया सेम होगा ही होगा। आ रहा है समझ में?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, अगर मैंने इस ऑरेंज कलर ट्रायंगल एबीसी में ऐसे परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉप कर लिया एडी, ओके, और एरिया निकालते वक्त मैंने क्या ले लिया, 1/2 इंटू एडी इंटू बीसी, और मेरा आंसर क्या आ गया, सपोज 200 मीटर स्क्वायर। ओके, अब कोई किसी भी मेथड से निकाले इस ट्रायंगल के एरिया को, चाहे परपेंडिकुलर, okay, if the person is taking the perpendicular BE and the base as a AC, still the area will be 200. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, तो ये पैरेलल लाइन का कंसेप्ट हमें ये बताता है कि क्योंकि अगर एक बार हम ध्यान से देखें और ये मान के चले कि अगर हमने सेम बेस लिया और हाइट लिया तो हाइट तो सेम होंगे ही, क्योंकि पैरेलल लाइन के बीच के परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस हमेशा सेम होते हैं। और बेस अगर हमने सेम लेके देखा तो एरिया इन दोनों ट्रायंगल के सेम है। ये स्टेटमेंट मैं बार बार क्यों बता रही हूँ, क्योंकि स्टूडेंट्स का ये कंसर्न रहता है कि यहाँ तो हमने ये चेक करके देख लिया कि दोनों के एरिया सेम आ रहे हैं, और अब हम बताने ही वाले हैं कि दोनों के एरिया सेम होते हैं, इसलिए इक्वेशन नंबर 5 इक्वेशन नंबर 6 को हम कंपेयर कर सकते हैं। बट अगर थोड़ा सा ध्यान से देखोगे तो तुम्हें रियलाइज होगा कि एरिया निकालते वक्त हमने दूसरा मेथड यूज करा था। दिख रहा है? तो कंफ्यूज मत हो जाना। ओके, अगर एक मेथड बता रहा है कि एरिया सेम होगा तो चाहे जो भी मेथड हमने पहले यूज कर रखा है हम बता सकते हैं दैट एरिया विल बी सेम। आ रहा है समझ में?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's why I was repeating this statement, that if the area is same, that we are getting it by parallel line concept, that means area will be same. Okay, even though while finding area in equation 2 and equation 4 we may have used different base, different height, doesn't matter, area will be same. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, तो अब हम बता सकते हैं दैट वी नो, हमें पता है दैट एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल BDE इज इक्वल्स टू एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ECD। क्यों? ट्रायंगल्स lying between two parallel line containing same base has same area। ओके, अब हमें ध्यान से देखो, न्यूमरेटर हियर, न्यूमरेटर हियर सेम, denominator here, denominator here, just now we have declared it will be same। Okay, then we can compare equation 5 and equation 6 and we are done with the proof। Okay, now we are going to write that area of the triangle ADE by area of the triangle BDE is equals to area of AED by ECD। Okay, let's write it। area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE is equals to area of AED by area of ECD, and we are done with the proof। AD by BD is equals to AE by EC। Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
This Yes. Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
Today again after the class, it's your responsibility. You have to do it again and again, again and again. Okay, if you are not writing each and every step properly, you have to do it in the rough part, starting from the beginning, just to draw the line parallel, just to do the construction. Then you have to check, are you able to conclude it till the last? Are you able to do it? If you are able to do it, that means you have, okay, understood this theorem really well. Okay, so if you want to copy, you can copy from the starting from here. Otherwise, this proof is also given in your book. So if you are copying, who is copying? Anyone? If you are copying, please let me know.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
do it. Do it from the starting. This is the starting that given from here. Whatever you can see on the screen, everything you have to write, including figure.
Ma'am, could you scroll down?
Yeah, sure.
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Yeah. Yeah, if you are done, please let me know. Now we can start solving questions.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, let's start solving question related to basic proportionality theorem. But before proceeding with that, let me tell you one more thing, because the question will be mixed up from basic proportionality theorem and the converse of the basic proportionality theorem. That will also be there. That means the theorem's proof today I'll not be telling you. First fix this proof in your mind, be clear with this one, practice this one enough, then I'll let you know the other proof. But before that, I must tell you what is the uses of that theorem. So the converse of the basic proportionality theorem says that if you are having a line such that the ratio is same, such that the ratio is same, AD by BD is equals to AE by EC, then the line, this line is not a random line, it must be parallel to BC. See, again I am reminding you, basic proportionality theorem says that if parallel, then the ratio same. If parallel, then the ratio same. And this says if ratio same, then parallel. If ratio same, then parallel. Making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's start solving question. Yeah, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Exercise 6.2, question number 1. In figure 6.17, 1 and 2, DE is parallel to BC. दोनों ही फिगर में DE BC के पैरेलल है, ये बताया जा रहा है. फाइंड EC, हमें EC फाइंड करना है. फर्स्ट फिगर से हमें क्या फाइंड करना है? EC. और सेकेंड फिगर से हमें क्या फाइंड करना है? AD. Keeping in mind that DE is parallel to BC. From now onward, the moment we will notice parallel, then we will say the ratio will be same. Okay, why? Because parallel is given. If parallel, then the ratio same. So since we know it's parallel, then the ratio will be same. We will write by ourselves that the ratio between AD to BD will be equals to AE to EC. Okay, by basic proportionality theorem, we will write beside it in the bracket and then we will just put all the values. So here it is given that AD is 1.5, BD is 3 centimeter. While writing this one, please be careful with the unit. Here the units are also same, centimeter centimeter by EC. यहाँ से हमें EC फाइंड करके निकालना है. आ रहा है समझ में?
Yes, ma'am.
Please find EC from here.
EC equals 2 centimeters.
EC is equals to,
2 centimeters.
yeah, everyone, are you getting EC as a 2 centimeter? You have to do crisscross multiplication. Okay, you will be getting 1.5 into EC is equals to 1 into 3. That means just 3. From there you will get EC is equals to 3 by 1.5. Do you know अगर हमारा न्यूमरेटर डेसिमल नंबर है और डेनोमिनेटर नहीं है, या फिर डेनोमिनेटर डेसिमल नंबर है और न्यूमरेटर नहीं है, तो हमें सबसे पहले डेसिमल रिमूव करने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए, या फिर न्यूमरेटर भी डेसिमल है, डेनोमिनेटर भी डेसिमल नंबर है, हमें सबसे पहले डेनोमिनेटर रिमूव करने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए ताकि हम कैंसिलेशन कर सके. और डेनोमिनेटर रिमूव करने के लिए यहाँ आई मीन डेसिमल रिमूव करने के लिए डेनोमिनेटर में 10 मल्टीप्लीकेशन इज रिक्वायर्ड. ओके, एंड द सेम 10 वी आर बाउंड टू मल्टीप्लाई इन द न्यूमरेटर, क्योंकि फ्रैक्शन कहता है अगर न्यूमरेटर में कुछ हम कोई नंबर मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो सेम नंबर हमें डेनोमिनेटर में भी मल्टीप्लाई करना ही होता है, या अगर हम डेनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो न्यूमरेटर में भी हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. वी आर गेटिंग 30 by just 15. Okay, and that is 2. Can you see, is it making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it making sense to all of you? Salwa, Arfa, are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes or no?
yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, please do the next one, number 2. Here also DE is parallel to BC. The moment you will notice parallel, then you have to write the ratio same by basic proportionality theorem. Okay, by basic proportionality theorem, if parallel, then the ratio will be same. What are you getting? AT by BD is equals to AE by EC. AD we don't know. BD is 7.2. AE is 1.8 and EC is 5.4. What are you getting as a AD? AD is equals to this 7.2 will go to other side and will get multiplied like this. If you want, you can leave that 5.4 over there, okay? Because we need to find AD. Okay, now the numerator is demanding for 10 into 10 and the denominator is demanding for 10. Why? Are you getting why? Yes. See the numerator 1.8. We need to remove the decimal. Okay, 1.8 is there. We need to multiply by 10 to remove the decimal. Are you getting everyone? 7.2 to remove the decimal, we need to multiply by 10. And the denominator 5.4 to remove the decimal, we need to multiply by just 10. So in numerator, we will multiply 10 into 10 and in denominator, we will multiply just 10. No. Okay, if you are having decimal number, then proper a decimal chapter was there so that you should, okay, these basics you have learned already in lower classes, that if numerator you want to multiply by 10 into 10, that means 100, and denominator just 10 is required, then multiply by the bigger number, that is 100 in the numerator, 100 in the denominator, because one extra zero is fine, but we don't want any decimal. Are you getting my point? If you are having, let's say 2.5, and if you are having by 5.32, see here denominator we need to multiply 100 and numerator we need to multiply 10, but the fraction says don't do so. You need to multiply the same number in numerator and denominator. Now decide either 10 or 100. So we will take 100. Why? Because in numerator, one extra zero is fine, but we don't want any decimal now. Making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is
I
it clear?
got an answer.
Yeah, what is the answer?
I got AD as 2.4.
2.4, let's check it. So here also we will multiply 100 in the numerator, 100 in the denominator. Numerator, all the decimal gone. Denominator, it will be 540. One extra zero is okay. 18, 3 times 54, 30. Now 3, 1 times 3, 3, 2 times 6, 3, 4 times 12. Yeah, 24 by 10 we are having, which you can cancel, but still everything will not get cancelled out. It will be 2.4. AD is 2.4. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Let's do the question number 2. Any confusion in question number 1? Just we
Ma'am.
needed to deal with the decimal numbers. Number 2. Okay. E and F are point on the side PQ and PR. Okay, we don't have the figure. Okay, this is not the figure. 6.18 is not the figure for question number 2. Okay, so we have to draw the figure by ourselves. So read the question. E and F are point on the side PQ and PR of a triangle PQR. I'm not getting anything except the fact that there is a triangle PQR. Now again I will read. E and F are point on the side PQ. Okay, PQ and PR, there is a point E, there is a point F. Is it making sense to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In triangle PQR, for each of the following case, state whether EF is parallel to QR. For each of the following case, यहाँ केस नंबर 1 हमें रीड करके अच्छे से एनालाइज करके ये बताना है कि क्या EF QR के पैरेलल है. हमें डेटा क्या गिवन है? PE, EQ, PF, ओके, FR. तो हम ये चेक करके देखेंगे कि क्या रेशियो सेम है. क्या पीई बाई EQ जो आंसर आ रहा है वही आंसर PF बाई FR के लिए भी आ रहा है? अगर रेशियो सेम है तो पैरेलल होगा, अगर रेशियो सेम नहीं है तो पैरेलल नहीं होगा। याद करो, अभी अभी मैंने कन्वर्स ऑफ द बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम बताया, जो ये कहता है कि अगर रेशियो सेम है तो पैरेलल होगा लाइन, अगर रेशियो सेम नहीं है तो लाइन पैरेलल नहीं होगा। यहाँ हमें क्या चेक करके बताना है? हमें चेक करके बताना है क्या पैरेलल है या नहीं। रीड इट, state whether EF parallel to QR. See, state whether EF parallel to QR, हमें ये चेक करके बताना है। ओके तो हम चेक करें, अगर रेशियो सेम है तो बाय कन्वर्स ऑफ द बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम EF विल बी पैरेलल टू QR। अगर रेशियो सेम निकल के नहीं आएगा then we will say that no, these two lines are not parallel. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, PE
Yes,
is
ma'am.
3.9, EQ is 3। अगेन हमें डेसिमल के साथ डील करना होगा और वैसे ही डील करना जैसे मैंने समझाया। न्यूमरेटर को एक 10 चाहिए, डेनोमिनेटर को कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए, बट हम न्यूमरेटर और डेनोमिनेटर दोनों में 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। क्यों? क्योंकि एक एक्स्ट्रा जीरो कंप्लीटली फाइन है हमारे लिए, बट हमें डेसिमल नहीं चाहिए। क्लियर? और फ्रैक्शन कहता है जो हम न्यूमरेटर में मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं सेम हमें डेनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई करना ही होगा, अदरवाइज नॉट अलाउड any multiplication. Okay, so we will have 39 over here by 30 over here.
Ma'am, I got 13 by 10.
Please check for the other one. PF by FR, that is that 2 is 13 by 10? If
No,
not,
it's 3 by 2.
3 by 2. That means
G.
these two are not parallel. Okay, EF is not parallel to QR. For case 1, okay, I mean for sub part 1 it is not parallel. Okay, now we will be checking for sub part 2. प्लीज चेक इट। फिर से हमें चेक करना है न्यू डेटा के साथ।
Teacher, for the second one, it's 8 by 9, and yeah, it is parallel.
It is parallel. Great.
Yes.
Okay, write it. Yes, EF is parallel to QR. For the third one, please check. For the third one, PQ is given, right? No worries. If PR is given
Teacher, for
as
the
a
third
PQ,
one, it's parallel.
see
1 by
if PE is given as a 0.18, PE हमें क्या given है 0.18, और फिर हमें PQ given है, the complete length given है. Okay, then we can find EQ, right? We can find EQ, right? The complete length is given and a part is given. The complete length is given and a part is given. Then can't you find the remaining part?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 1.28 minus 0.18, 1.10. Similarly, there also the complete length given and a part is given. That means P F is given as a 0.36 और पूरा लेंथ PR का हमें गिवन है 2.56. Now we will find the ratio. Okay, PE by EQ 0.18 by 1.10 over. Now you check it whether it is same or not same. 9/55. Yeah, it's same. Okay, parallel. According to the subpart 3 as well, EF is parallel to QR. Is it clear to all of you what we are doing over here? Just the basic
Yes.
calculation we are doing. Okay, nothing else. Still, we have not started solving the questions properly. Any confusion so far in question number 1 and 2?
No, ma'am.
Salwa, Arfa,
Ma'am.
Abdullah.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Is it clear so far? Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
Okay, let's take question number 3. Question number 3 says in figure 6.18, now you can look at figure 6.18. Okay, if LM is parallel to CB, LM is parallel to CB. If parallel, then the ratio will be same. Keep it in your mind. Okay, if parallel, then the ratio will be same. And if the ratio is same, then must be parallel by converse. So here LM is parallel to CB. Where is LM? Where is CB? Here only you need to decide that we are talking about which triangle. इन दोनों पर्पल लाइन को देख के हमें डिसाइड करना होगा कि कौन से ट्रायंगल की हम बात कर रहे हैं, और ट्रायंगल हम हमेशा ढूंढ पाएंगे बिगर साइड को देखकर। एलएम एंड सीबी, एलएम एंड सीबी, इन दोनों में से बिगर लेंथ किसका है? सीबी का। इस सीबी को ध्यान में रख के मुझे ट्रायंगल बताओ। टेल मी द नेम ऑफ द ट्रायंगल। सीबी को ध्यान में रख के ट्रायंगल का नाम नेम बताओ। सीबी को ध्यान में रख के कैन यू सी वी आर हैविंग अ ट्रायंगल एबीसी, जहां एक लाइन एलएम एक साइड बीसी के पैरेलल आ रहा है, हाँ या ना?
Yes, ma'am.
ये हमें आइडेंटिफाई करना होगा। हमारे फिगर में कभी लिख के नहीं देगा दैट यू शुड टेक दिस ट्रायंगल। इट विल ऑलवेज बी रिटन लाइक दिस दैट एलएम इज पैरेलल टू सीबी। अभी और एक पैरेलल कंडीशन है यहाँ, जैसे ही हमने पढ़ा एलएम इज पैरेलल टू सीबी, हमें पॉज लेके डिसाइड करना होगा दैट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट विच ट्रायंगल। एलएम पैरेलल टू सीबी, हमेशा जो बिगर लेंथ होता है साइड का उसे देख के हमें समझ में आता है दैट विच ट्रायंगल वी मस्ट टेक। सीबी को देख के हमें समझ में आना चाहिए दैट वी मस्ट टेक ट्रायंगल ए बी सी। इस ट्रायंगल में एलएम सीबी के पैरेलल है, ये सेंस क्रिएट कर रहा है। अभी अभी हमने बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम प्रूव करा है, एलएम इज पैरेलल टू सीबी इन ट्रायंगल एबीसी। नाउ इट इज मेकिंग सेंस, यस और नो?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you will be able to write the ratio. While writing the ratio, please follow the sequence. Okay, if you are going from upside AM to MB like this, then the other side also please take it in that manner. That means AL to LC. Is it making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
In bracket you will write by basic proportionality theorem. If you are done till here, then let's check the next one. Here it is given that LN is parallel to CD. LN is parallel to CD. Highlight it. LN. Highlight CD. Okay. Now in this two, you check which one is the bigger length. CD. Accordingly, you have to analyze which triangle you can take. Yes, you have to analyze which triangle you have to take. Okay. Nobody will tell you. Nowhere it will be written. Just parallel, you have to check over here and then you have to pick the triangle, because in single figure you will be able to see so many triangles over here. ध्यान से एल एन और सी डी को देखो और मुझे बताओ कौन सा ट्रायंगल हम ले सकते हैं।
Triangle ACD.
एडीसी। ओके, ऐसे पहचानना है। एडीसी ट्रायंगल हम ले सकते हैं और इस ट्रायंगल में एक लाइन एल एन है जो एक साइड सी डी के पैरेलल है। ओके, नाउ वी कैन राइट द रेशियो विल बी सेम। विच रेशियो? ए एल by LC will be equals to AN by ND. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in bracket by basic proportionality theorem. अब ध्यान से देखो पिछले वाले रेशियो को और अभी जो हमने रेशियो लिखा उससे। क्या हमें दिख रहा है कि AL/LC यहां भी है और AL/LC वहां भी था? Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that means we can do the comparison of equation 1 and 2. Okay, we can compare 1 and 2. We will say comparing 1 and 2 and we are done with the proof. Check करके देख लो, जो हमें प्रूफ करना था वो हमें मिल चुका है. कैसे? Just by comparing 1 and 2. Okay, you can write AM by MB is same as AN by ND. हमने इक्वेशन 1 and 2 को कंपेयर करके लिखा है. Making sense? This and this will also be same.
Yes, ma'am.
Hence
Ma'am.
proved. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
If you understood this really well, then you will be able to do question number 4. You will be able to do question number 5. Please try. But before that, before trying these questions, make sure that your theorem is clear. Clear means not just clear. Clear means you are able to write it. From starting till ending, you are able to do it all by yourself. Okay, if you want to revisit, just check your copy. If you have not copied, then check your book. It is there. Okay, theorem number 6.1. The next one you will be able to do. I am just giving you the hint for question number 5. यहाँ लिखा है DE is parallel to OQ. फिगर नंबर 6.20 में DE OQ के पैरेलल है. सबसे पहले जो भी पैरेलल हमें बताया जाता है हमें हाईलाइट कर लेना चाहिए DE OQ. अब क्या हमें एक ट्रायंगल दिख रहा है? Can you see a triangle?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. POQ.
Okay, it's very simple. Doesn't matter this figure looks like the 3D figure or 2D figure. No matter what it looks like, you just have to pick the triangle properly. Okay, this is the triangle. You will be able to write the ratio. And next triangle, ध्यान से देखो, DF is parallel to OR. DF OR.
Triangle POR.
ट्रायंगल POR. फिर वहां से एक रेशियो हम लिख लेंगे और दोनों रेशियो को कंपेयर करेंगे तो हमें एक रिजल्टेंट रेशियो मिलेगा. वो रिजल्टेंट रेशियो हमें बताएगा दैट EF इज ऑल्सो पैरेलल टू QR. अगर रेशियो सेम तो पैरेलल. कन्वर्स ऑफ द बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम हमें यूज करके बताना होगा कि क्योंकि हमारा रेशियो सेम निकल के आ रहा है इसलिए पैरेलल होगा EF QR के. आ रहा है समझ में? इसकी हेल्प से एक रेशियो मिला, इसकी हेल्प से एक रेशियो मिला, दोनों रेशियो को हमने कंपेयर करा तो एक रिजल्टेंट रेशियो मिला. ये जो रिजल्टेंट रेशियो है ये हमें बताएगा दैट EF विल बी पैरेलल टू QR बाय कन्वर्स ऑफ द बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम. अगर रेशियो सेम है तो पैरेलल होगा. आ रहा है समझ में?